What is in the position of a person who misses the congregational Eid Salaah, what should he or she do in this case?
If a person misses Eid Salaah, then he should offer the Eid Salaah. And there is a chapter mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 1, in the book of Salah, chapter number 25, the heading of which is, if one misses the Eid congregation, what should he do? And it says that, it gives a reference of Anas bin Malik, may Allah be pleased with him, that he tells his slave that get all the family members, and he goes and then he offers the Eid Salah in the congregation. So all those who miss the Salah, whether men, women, they should offer it as soon as possible, and they can do it the same way as it was done earlier. And further it's mentioned in Sunan Abu Dawud, volume number 1, in the book of Salah, hadith number 1153. There were a few people who came to the Prophet, peace be upon him. They came riding, and they said that yesterday we had seen the new moon. So the Prophet commanded that break your fast and offer your salah tomorrow. That means at the time where the Prophet was living, people hadn't seen the moon, so they continued fasting the 30th day. When some people come and give the shahada that they'd seen the moon yesterday, the Prophet immediately says that break the fast, because you cannot fast on Eid day. But since the time for Eid Salah has gone, offer Eid Salah tomorrow. That means if for certain reason, if it's a genuine reason, Eid Salah could not be offered, or you can even offer the next day. So this is the ruling as far as the person misses Eid Salah.